Alright guys, dito tayo sa basketball court. Kita niyo ang babaw. Pang soccer tsaka ano. Ang baba lang. Uy, kapos. Baba lang guys. At least may net. Basta may net, practice lang. Nalalo tayo ng FIBA, no? Naengganyo ulit ako mag-basketball. Hindi ako makashoot talaga ng free throw. Kung halimbawa ito yung free throw nila, oh, ang layo naman. Bend your knees. Ayun! Nakaisa rin, dapat pala ganun, no? Naalsahan ako ng bag. Shooting. Masakit kasi yung balikat ko guys, ewan ko. Sa pagtulog yata. Ang baba guys, hindi siya yung normal na size of pang bata lang. Alright, yun lang, short vlog. Half-court chat. Mr. Long Bomb. Mr. Long Bomb. Ang abnoy ng basketball. Okay naman, goods. At least may bola na tayo. Hindi na tayo manghihiram. Ang sarap ng hangin, ang lamig. Shooting lang guys, walang kalaro eh. Yun sa Tamer Force naman, wala naman yung comment nung ano dun. Naka-turn off yung comment nung parang page ng ano dun, basketball Filipino eh. Sarap sana sumali, liga. Namiss ko na rin ang basketball. Kamiss din ha. Kukuha na natin yung ano natin, pitik. Basta maganda ang panahon guys, lalaro tayo basketball. Right, ano, shooting muna ako dito. Binebend mo yung knees mo, bend your knees. Parang yung power niya manggagaling sa legs. Pataas. See? Yung sa legs manggagaling ang ano, yung natutunan ko sa UB. Free throw, yung mga training ng araw. Sa legs manggagaling ang puwersa pataas. Sa free throw. Bend your knees. Bitaw. See? Bend your knees, bitaw. Yung bola, tumakbo. Tumakbo sa kabila. Ang baba. Ang baba. Ang baba eh, no? New Boliden. Alo, talentava, camera balbonta. May camera. May camera rin ako eh. Asan yung camera? Magkamerahan tayo. Alright guys. Yun lang, short vlog lang tayo. Shooting. Alright. Kita-kits sa susunod na video eh. Short vlog lang ng vlog natin. Hindi na magpapakita, POV lang. Pang vlog lang. Ganun yung mga shoot ko nun eh, sablay. Lagpas. Alright. Sarap. Basketball. Dito sa school. Every Saturday, Sunday lang. Kasi pag naglaro ka dito ng Monday to Friday, may klase. Madaming estudyante. Ang katatapos lang natin magkano kanina. Mag-gym. Naisipan ko mag-basketball para maka-vlog na rin. Yan, dyan yung concert grounds pag may concert dito. Yan. Ito yung nature tripping pa rin tayo. Yung court natin, nasa school pero yung backyard niya, nature. Yung clouds. Diba? Ayos ba? Pinapahaba ko lang yung video para ma-monetize 10 minutes. Shooting. Sakto lang yung hangin ng bola. Okay na yung hangin na yan para hindi tayo masulsul. Make your mark. Yan, congrats sa team Germany. Kita mo yung teamwork talaga ang papanalo sa basketball, hindi lang individual na play. Teamwork. Pag buwakaw yung kasama mo, hindi marunong mamasa guys, matatalo talaga kayo. Yung parang iniisip lang umi-score, matatalo talaga kayo pag iniisip lang ng kasama mo yung umi-score. Kaya ako kahit nung araw, kahit di ako umi-score, sa depensa ako bumabawi. Ang importante sa akin, manalo. Hindi ako makashoot. Training pa bago mag-winter. Kasi come winter time, wala na. Puro snow na naman to, madulas. Sulit-sulitin natin ngayon guys. Shooting lang. Shooting. Wala, tsamba lang. Tira natin. Uy, over the bakot. Ano ba yan? Cut. May nagbabike dito. Ayan. Libot-libot siya bike. Kasi pag inikot mo yan, Riverside na yan. Ito yung labasan papunta dun sa bridge. May mga bata parating. Alright, kita-kits sa susunod na video guys. Basta may sipong ko pag magpapawis. Kita-kits tayo susunod na video. Last free throw. Hinebra, never say die. short. Init, naka-jogging pants ako. Malamig kasi pag kaninang umaga. Dapat nag-shorts pala ako. Short! Ano ba yan? Sakit kasi nung balikat, guys. Alright. Kita-kits tayo. Shoutouts! Eurobasket. Maghanap pa ako ng team basketball para kalaro tayo. Yun, okay sa. Alright, see you in the next vlog, guys. Make your mark. Shout outs. Keep safe and keep on hustling. Alright, guys, laro tayo 21. Let's play 21. Two points first here, and then 1 point there. If you didn't get the ball, then rebound. So 2 points first. We will not start unless I get the 2 points first. Ay, matagal to, guys. Cut natin. 2 points first until 21. Ay, banking. Ay. It's hard, man. Ang kalaro ko lang sarili ko, no? Natatalo pa ako. I'm playing with myself. 2 points. Okay, 2. Ay. The board doesn't work, man. It's not fiberglass. So 2 points. We have 2 points already. 2. It's the bad thing. Periantay na. At least we have 2 points. It's still early. I'm gonna have my schedule now. 2 points. 4. 5 points. 6 points. I missed 5 points. Okay, NBA 2K26, let's go. Ay. 6. Or let's make it short. Let's make it until 11. 6. 7. 'Kagiwa. Floater. 8. Okay, last 3. Last 3 points. 8. 9. 9 points. Oh, it bounced again outside. Last two. I'm doing this so I can vlog it because tomorrow there's students here, so we cannot vlog it. So I'm just playing here by myself. So 9 points. Oh, we finished 11 points. We're done. Race to 11. So that's 21 or 21 in the Philippines. Free throw shot. So 2 points first. If the one who shoots 2 points first, then you can start shooting the rebound 1 point. So you're gonna bounce 1 bounce, it's good. But it's 2 bounce, then it's not counted anymore. So okay, let's go. Let's play 3-point shot. Round robin. So until five sides, round robin, 3-point shooting, like Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry! Kilala! Nag-bounce. The ball is bouncing outside. So yeah, I'm gonna play by myself, right? So see you in the next vlogs, guys. I'm gonna practice the round robin until I finish it. I'm not gonna vlog it anymore. I cannot shoot round robin. Start from here, the side. Short. Shoot, man. I don't think I can finish it with the camera on. I'm gonna have 1 hour. It will take time. Alright, kita-kits. Let's see another video, guys. This is just a shooting around here. Like that, 3-point shot. Shooting around here in the kids' basketball court. Yeah, because I miss playing basketball, that's why. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's go. Half court shot. Last shot for you. Half court shot for all the subscribers. If I shoot this one, I'm gonna go home. If not, I'm gonna finish the round robin. Okay? Last shot for you guys, for all the subscribers. Half court shot. Oh, I missed. One more. We have a chance. We have three chances, okay? Second chance. Ay, bunking. It's bunking. You know bunking in English? It's like that, bent. All right, last shot. Last chance, half court shot. Uy, almost, but not quite. All right, see you in the next vlog, guys.